Good afternoon, this is Tim Brett with Brett Robinson, and today I'm at Phoenix Orange Beach 2. I'm going to take you up and show you a 2-bedroom, a 3-bedroom, and a 4-bedroom. I'll show you around the lobby area, the pool areas, and the south side of the building. Now, if you're watching this and you're an owner in Phoenix Orange Beach 2, I just want to let you know that we are getting extremely close to finishing up the building. Now today I do not have information on when we might close the building out or when you can move in. Be sure to get in touch with your realtor that sold you the unit and they will give you more information. If you purchase your unit through an outside agent, have them get in touch with a Brett Robinson agent and we will be happy to give them the information. I'm excited to take you up and show you around the building, show you our progress, so let's go up and take a look. All right, first thing I wanted to show you is the 2-bedroom, the first condo today. Just give you a view of the 2-bedroom here. I'm on the 19th floor looking at the 2-bedroom. Huge wet bar area here. And that's side by side the kitchen area here. I'm gonna walk over here and just show you the view from the kitchen area. I like to start out all the videos with the view. So that's what everybody's paying for. And this is a turnaround from the kitchen. This is going to be your guest bathroom area here. This just looks out to the hallway area. Your washer and dryer is actually in here also. Side by side washer and dryer in the 2-bedroom. Real pretty. I don't know if this is showing up on video, but this is real pretty. Got some green there in the granite. Shows up, looks very beautiful in person. All right, the lighting's not great in here, but I just want to show you, this is going to be the master bedroom in the 2-bedroom. Lots of space here. Nice cabinets. There's the tub area and a separate shower area. And just across the hall, 2 closets here for your guest bedroom. And so yes, the 2-bedroom has 3 baths, so it's really nice. Got that extra bathroom in there for guests, so they don't have to walk through the bedrooms to use your restrooms. And this has got in this one it has a shower tub combo. I'm in a 3-bedroom on the 7th floor now. I'm going to turn around here, show you the kitchen area. Haven't finished the backsplash there. Beautiful kitchen. Like what they've done there with the refrigerator and the matching stove and microwave. See here, of course, and you got a view. That's why everybody buys down here. A view of the Gulf here from the kitchen. Pan over to the wet bar area. And I just moved right in here into the master bedroom. I'm just gonna walk in here. This owner's cabinet choices are beautiful. Shower area. Tub. Walk back here just past the kitchen area. Here's the guest bathroom. Beautiful tile that they put here on the floor. I'm just going to walk over here to bedroom number 2 And this bedroom walks, they have an access door to that bathroom I just showed you. So you can either use it from the hallway or from the bedroom area here. And this will be bedroom number 3. And they have their own private bathroom here. Okay, last but not least, today is going to be the 4-bedroom. Now I'm standing on the 19th floor on the east end, so looking over towards Florida, Ono Island, standing in the living room area. Beautiful, beautiful 4-bedroom. Let me walk up here so you can get a better look at the backsplash area, the granite. Okay, there's a backsplash wet bar area. I'm gonna pan over here and you'll see the granite, the backsplash in the kitchen. There's a shot, really pretty diagonal tile here. I'll step outside once I've finished viewing the unit for you and show you the view from up here. I'm just going to walk over here inside of the master bedroom. If I'm sitting here, I'm standing where the bed's going to go, and the headboard would be up against this wall where I'm standing right now. As you can see, you got a very nice view of the water. Of course, that's where your TV will go. Beautiful cabinets, granite countertops, of course, and there's your shower area and bath area. Okay, just walk down the hallway, and this is bedroom, we could call it bedroom number 2. And again, I'm looking east towards Florida, and I'm standing where the headboard would be. So again, this room here has a great view of Perdido Pass and the beach. And this room shares a bathroom, I guess a Jack and Jill bathroom, with bedroom number 3 here. And guess what? You have a view here also. Here's the guest bathroom. As I pan out, this bathroom is just down the hallway here from the kitchen area and living room area. I'm going to back up, show you this is bedroom number 4. Now, bedroom number 4 does not have a view of the water. That's just the hallway out there going to the elevators. This bedroom here will share that bathroom. That doorway right there goes into the bathroom. You can see the light on through the just behind the door. Now, I want to take you downstairs, show you the lobby area, the indoor pool, and the outdoor pool. But first, I'm going to show you where your actual storage closets. A lot of owners ask us about storage closets. Let me show you those real quick. Okay, I'm standing here on the balcony on the 19th floor of the 4-bedroom. Looking over now, those condos over there across the water, that's on just off Canal Road there. And as I pan over, you can see the Caribe in the distance just over the bridge. That's Ono Island behind there, and then looking over into Florida towards the east. Perdido Pass. Just going to try to look down here and give you a view of the pool and lazy river area. pan up, you see the nice boardwalk that we built. So just walked out in the hallway here, and I just wanted to show you, these are nice size storage closets. Plenty of space for bikes and floats and what have you. It's got 2 air vents in here. Pan up, see if you can see those 2 air vents and a light. Nice concrete finish on the floor, but plenty of storage. That's just right outside. There's the unit I just showed you, 1905. You can see the hallway area here. Get you a quick view of the lobby area, looking out over the beach. This will be the exercise room. Now, we were just looking at the lobby and looking out towards the beach. This was on my right-hand side, just past the front desk area. This is the meeting room area on the west side of the building, and there is also one of these on the east side of the building also. This is a temporary construction command center, I guess. Indoor pool area. Let's walk out to the pool. Thought I'd just give you one more shot here of the indoor pool area before we walk outside. Looking at the outdoor pool area, lazy river. Nice wide lazy river. Really windy out here today. Just another shot so you can see over on the other side a little closer, and splash pad area here. Gorgeous day out on the beach today. Look there, we've got a little friend here in the sand dunes. Probably looking for a little late lunch. You notice here on the boardwalk, right here in front of me, we got these hoses. They're almost built in. We just drilled some holes and put the hoses in there, and you'll be able to pull those out and wash your feet off, wash your legs off when you're walking back up to the condo. It's the last picture of the building here. I've enjoyed showing you around today. If you got any questions, give us a call, 1-800-221-6180. Visit our website, PhoenixOrangeBeach2.com or BrettRobinson.com. Again, my name's Tim Brett, and I've enjoyed showing you. Look forward to talking with you soon.